party. Check out my butterfly.
Oh, so how do you play this game?
Oh, well, you just throw cards in the middle.
Like that? Oh, no, I know exactly how you do it. Here, let me show you.
Card party. Card party.
Do you go like this?
Yeah.
Or like this? Shove it in.
Card party. Let's have a card party. Card party.
Okay, so, do you play the game like this? Oh, I got a 6. You want a 6? Oh, you throw it in.
I got an 8. That beats you. And I got a 9. No, that's a 6.
This is clearly not a 6.
That is clear. This is clearly a 9.
Okay, she thinks this one is a 9. And this one is a 6.
Did you know 5's the biggest
That
number
is
in
wrong.
the world?
5 is not the biggest number in the
That
world.
is
you know.
totally.
Okay, so we're just here to test you guys today. Okay. Yeah.
They can see my face now. Want to see my butterfly? That's my butterfly.
Okay, come on, Julia. Lady.
Where are we going?
So we're just here to test you guys back.
and to make fart noises.
Hold on. Hi, Julia. Okay. You're almost ready there?
Okay, ready?
Wait, hold on. First, you're gonna hear a large fart. Then second, you're gonna hear a small fart. Turn around. Turn around.
Okay, ready?
Okay. That's lovely. Okay, yeah. So.
Look at my beautiful case!
Yeah. That's lovely.
I just had to show you.
Cards.
What number is this, people? Do you see that number?
It's totally 2000. Well,
it totally is.
see you later.